In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to discover hidden Google Calendar features. By the end, you'll know exactly where Google tucks away its most powerful options so you can customize your schedule and work smarter with fewer clicks. First, open Google Calendar. You'll see your main calendar grid front and center with the mini calendar and your list of calendars on the left and quick tools along the top. Take a second to notice the layout because knowing where things live makes the next part a lot easier. Now look to the top right corner and find the small gear icon. This is your gateway to the features most people never use. It's easy to overlook, but nearly every advanced tweak you might want begins here. Click the gear icon, then choose Settings. This opens a full page of options. In the General section, you'll find the foundations, your time zone, date and time formats, and language. Keep scrolling to discover productivity boosts many users miss. Working in hours and location helps others know when you're available and whether you're in the office or remote. Event settings can control defaults like event duration and whether video conferencing is added automatically. In view options, you can show or hide weekends, reduce the brightness of past events, and fine-tune how dense your calendar looks. If you prefer navigating fast, look for the keyboard shortcuts toggle. You'll also see notification controls so you can choose desktop alerts or emails that match your style. A tip here, use the search box at the top of the settings page to jump straight to any option without hunting. On the left side of settings, you'll also notice each of your calendars has its own section. That's where you can tailor notifications, colors, and other details per calendar, which is great if you balance work, personal, and shared schedules, and want each to behave a little differently. When you're done exploring, return to your calendar view and click the Create button at the top left. You'll immediately see additional options that many people miss in the quick menu. You'll notice choices like Event for anything scheduled on your timeline, Task for simple to-dos that you can check off, Appointment schedule for sharing bookable time blocks, and Out of office to automatically decline invites during your downtime. These choices unlock different fields and controls so you can keep simple items lightweight and turn complex meetings into fully detailed events with location, conferencing, descriptions, and attachments. That's it. By using the gear icon to open settings and the Create button to reveal advanced options, you'll uncover the hidden power of Google Calendar and make it work the way you do.